Guys, to Techno Sunday, and today we're reviewing the DreamSky DS206 alarm clock with built-in radio. Here we go. The clock display is by default 12 a.m. Hold the 24-hour key and it enters time setting mode. If you press that key, it'll change between 12 and 24-hour format. So 7 p.m. would become 19 o'clock. The clock has an alarm function. Hit the alarm on and off key to turn it on or off. You have two options for the ring: a buzzer or the radio. There's a temperature display at the bottom left corner of the screen. Press this button and it'll toggle between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. You can hold down the snooze key to activate 3 brightnesses of the display: high, medium, and off. If you want the radio to be on, but only for a desired period of time, press the sleep button. It'll go then you can set the time at which when to turn off the sleep to turn on the sleep timer, and then turn off the radio. On the back, there's a USB output port for charging your phone, which is really handy because cell phone batteries die too quickly. And that is all the features of this alarm clock. I'll go into other details. The screen can be white or orange. The digits can be either light blue or orange, which orange is my favorite color, but the orange were sold out at the time we got this watch. The watch has a simplistic design, which almost reminds me of a CRT television. And that's it. Join us next Sunday for the next episode. Bye, guys.